Hey, Digger D, back at you. We're out today. It's 60-some degrees. Beautiful out here. Now we're just out in the field today. Big farm. Just out playing around with the TDI today out in the open fields. Little SC Ohio digger over there, Jacala, with her ATX, swinging away, finding stuff. Found a whole lot. Found a bullet and a couple of pieces of iron, but I got something kind of here. I just don't know what it is. Small, really small. It's brass, and I don't know what the heck that little thing is. It's a nice little soft high tone on the with the pulse scan TDI today, but I don't know what that is. I have to get it home cleaned up a little more. It's like a little wheel or a nut. It's not a nut, I don't have a hole in it, but it could be a little wheel or something. But we'll check it out. Alright. Well, I haven't found a whole lot. Well, I say that, but we found a lot of little small lead musket balls and buckshot. Pretty old stuff, but other than that, some junk. But I came back here to the old little cabin site. Here's a cabin that was here in the mid-1800s, they say, and the stuff's few and far between, but I did find a little watch fob key, or watch winder, I guess they call them. I found it's broken, I think, but that's what it would have been. I don't think it's all there. Pretty cool find, little brass. So we'll keep looking here and see what we can find. Might have something good here. I almost didn't dig this, but I kind of thinking it's part of a spur. It's brass. It's got the shape, at least on the barrel shank part. This has got me a little puzzled, but it could have been out, the spur straps went on either side of this. A little different design. Usually they're flatter than that, where they're actually strapped on. But I do believe that's what that is, part of a broken spur. So maybe I can find the rest of it here. I just found that little watch fob winder, watch, whatever you call that. So stuff's starting to come out. I switched from the TDI. I was out in the field with it, and I came back here to the cabin. There's a lot more junk, so I thought I'd use the MXT. And I'm gonna keep going here and see what we get. That's my next signal. Just I don't know, a couple feet from that spur, and I got a little watch gear. I think half a watch gear. So, stuff's coming out today. Got the old machine dialed in. And beautiful day here, 20th of February. DIV 33 and 34 coming up in about 21 days for us, 22. Can't wait for that. But let's see if we can find the rest of it. Happy hunting. Well, Kayla got something here. Still digging at the old cabin. I don't know quite what it is. It's heavy, silverish. Scratch it up too much, so we're going to take it back. And, we're in the area kind of where the horses were stabled, I guess. So it could be a kind of bridle rosette, maybe, or something.
Also where the old cabin was. So.
Yeah, so who knows? We'll get her cleaned up. They call them cradle bells. You know. Deep one.
Uh, 6 inches. Out there?
7 or 8. Good shape too.
It is in great shape. Heavy. Of course, it could be filled with mud, but
Yeah,
definitely brass.
well, we got the stuff all cleaned up here. Pretty much cleaned up on the lead. Got a lot of little bucket balls and little 22s and buckshot, a lot of lead. And got some nice buckles. A couple probably horse, maybe saddle buckles. That one there is probably a suspender buckle or something for the guy that lived there. A nice bell, little Croto bell, still got the little, still rings a little bit. Little parasol umbrella slide. And this here, we just don't know what this is. We just got some, I think it might be leather on the back, could be a bridal rosette, who knows. It's got a little design on the front, silverish, but kind of intriguing. Did get a watch, like a small pocket, yeah, it's like a small pocket watch back. It's pretty toasty. It fell apart when I dug it up. I got a large cent. I got the date off of it. It's really faint. 1838, best I can tell. Pretty cool. Watch fob, winder, whatever you call them, and a watch gear that's folded over double, and part of a spur. So not a bad day. Now we're in the old cabin. So we'll get a video of her and show it to you.